Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. For today's project, I'll be revamping this long standing mirror. And for this purpose, the first thing I'll be reinforcing the back because it will be placed on the wall. So I've cut some foam sheets, and I use two 20 by 30 sheets to get the length, the piece that I need for the length of the mirror at the back. So I had to cut two pieces. So I've already, for the sake of time, I've already cut them out. So this is how I'll be placing them on the back of the mirror. And I'll be using the Gorilla hot glue sticks and the Gorilla super glue. I have two tea light candles. Well, this actually is going to be a wall sconce. I'll be using two of these candle holders from the Dollar Tree. I'll be dressing it up with some bling wrap. I have the gold, I have the silver, I have this one as well, and I also have the floor mesh. I don't know which one I'll be using at the moment. I have a pair of scissors, and I use my X-Acto knife to cut the foam sheets. I also have my glue gun. I'm going to be using this white paint. This is by Apple Barrel. It's from the Dollar Tree, and it's white. And I have a little foam brush. What I'll be doing, I'm going to paint along the edge, the brown bit. I'll be putting at least 2 coats of the white paint around the frame of the mirror. And I'll do that, and I'll come back and we'll continue on with the revamping of this mirror. Okay, I've completed painting the frame of the mirror. It's now white, and I've also applied the backing. That's the pieces of foam. Now the next step is to decorate the candle holder that I'll be using. So for the candle holder, I'll be putting several strips of the floor mesh all around like this. Go straight around. And when it comes around, I'm going to leave a space right straight down, because this is where it will be attached to the mirror, because it's going to be it's a wall sconce. And now for the mirror, I've cut some gold pieces and silver pieces. Now they are in strips of 10 rows, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 this way and 10 this way. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Sorry, you couldn't see that. So it's 8 strips by 10 strips long, and the same for the silver piece. So this is how I'll be attaching them. I'll be like crisscrossing. There'll be a silver, a gold, and in the corner there'll be a silver in the corner over on the other side, then a gold strip, and then the tea light candle will sit right between those pieces right there, like that. And I'll continue putting these strips all along the edges on both sides of the mirror, going straight down on the other side and coming straight back up all around. I hope you can see. I'm going a bit closer. This is what it would look like. The candle holder will be sitting right in the middle, like this. Of course, it will be glued down, it will move. So I'll go off camera and I'll attach all my pieces and I'll make the decorations on the candle holder, and I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, I've now completed applying the bling wrap all around the sides of the mirror, and I've also attached the candle holder on both sides. This is one side, and on the candle holder I've put some of the flower mesh, several rows of the flower mesh, and I've also put some iridescent strings of glitter that I made 4 rows, 2 at the top, 1 more there and 1 at the bottom, so that's 4 rows. And also I put 2 more rows at the bottom of the candle holder, and I've covered the bottom of the candle holder with some silver foam sheet. Let's go around to the other side. Come down to the bottom of the mirror. This is the other corner of the bottom. And let's take it over to the other side. I'll clean up all the glue fronts, and I'll have a nice picture to show you how it hangs on the wall. This mirror is a bit heavy, so I won't be using command strips. I'll have to use some screws to have it screwed into the wall. This is the other end of the mirror. This is the other, coming up to the other candle holder on the other side. This is the bottom with the silver foam sheet covering the bottom of the candle holder. Wall sconce turned out real nicely. Okay, and this is going up to the top of the mirror. This is the upper corner. Take it all across to the other side, back to the other side. I'm sorry, the mirror is so long I can't really get a full shot, so I'm taking it right along slowly so you can see. As you can see, I put 2 pieces of the floor mesh along where the 2 pieces of silver and gold bling wrap meets. I just cover them with 2 pieces of the floor mesh. And in the corner, I have 4 of the floor mesh, and I put one in the middle to give it that design. And we are now back to the other side where we have the candle holder. And for the candle holder, we have these two tea light candles, one for each of the candle holders. They would go inside each of the candle holders. When I hung it on the wall, you'll see how they fit in. I hope this tutorial has inspired you to do the same. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet already done so. And also remember to click the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Thanks again for watching. See you next time. Bye.